Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. So deleting your Facebook account is actually very easy, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to do it in the Facebook app, either on your iPhone or your Android phone. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the app on our phone. Once in the app, go down to the bottom right and select the three vertical lines to open up the menu. Once the menu loads, simply scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and open that up, and then just simply go to Settings. Now that we're in the settings, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to your Facebook information. And under your Facebook information, you'll see Account Ownership and Control. Go ahead and select that and open it up. And then as you can see here, the third option down is Deactivation and Deletion. So if we select that, we'll have two options. We can either deactivate our account temporarily, so it'll take it off Facebook and we can always open it up, so all of our data on Facebook will still remain there. Or you can permanently delete your Facebook account. So that's what I'm going to select. Now keep in mind, this will delete all the information and pictures, everything like that that you have on Facebook. It also includes all the messages you have on Messenger as well. So once you make your selection, go down to the bottom and continue. They'll ask for a reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. You can select a reason, but you can also just go to the bottom and select continue. Now they do give you some quick warnings here. If you don't want to delete your messages, they recommend deactivating your account rather than deleting it. We've already gone over that. They also show you how to remove certain posts rather than deleting it, and then how to download all of your information. So if you have a bunch of information, past posts, pictures, you can simply download that information here before deleting your account. Once you've gone through all those different steps and you're ready to continue deleting your Facebook account, go down to the bottom and select Delete Account. Enter your password and then select Continue. And then as you can see here, once you put in your request to permanently delete your Facebook account, it'll actually be able to be reactivated within 30 days. So all you need to do is log in, it'll reactivate your account. If it goes beyond that, it'll be permanently deleted. So select Delete Account, and then there you go. Our Facebook account has been deleted. All right, so that's how you delete your Facebook account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.